14, meditation on religious belief. Religion is rather like medical treatment. Medicines are effective when we are sick, not when we are in good health. When everything is fine, we do not show them to others saying, this remedy is excellent, this one is expensive, this one is a nice color. Whatever they look like, their only function is to cure sickness. If they have no use at the moment, there is no reason to show them off. In the same way, religions and spiritual paths must be useful and effective when our mind is in difficulty. If we show off our religion when everything is fine, and we are the same as other mortals in moments of crisis, then what is the point? Meditate on that.